Hey everybody, happy Taco Tuesday to you. It is Mike from Meat Trades. We're coming at you February 28th, last day of the month. Ended up having pretty decent day. I would say we came out on top. Um, yeah, we took two trades. One of them didn't work out. The other one worked out fantastically. And I actually traded NQ today. So really trying to focus on getting a handle on both of them, NQ and ES. I know one of them kind of plays off the other, but sometimes we get a little bit more action on some of them. So let's hop into the charts again. If you haven't already, hit that like button, like, subscribe. That's awesome. Helps me out, helps you out, keeps coming with that content, and let's get at it. So, like I said, took two trades today. It was choppy to start. I mean, like right out the gate, if you're looking at 7:30, well, my time, because I'm in Arizona, so 7:30 is my market open, and it chopped pretty much from 7:30 to shit. I mean, well into 10:51. So I was trying to play the chop a little bit because I kept seeing it kind of bounce off, go down, bounce off, come up. So I took a short here and thinking I had some levels that I was looking at. Um, it was still kind of peaking up, but I thought it was going to turn around pretty quickly. I didn't think it was going to continue up a little bit, especially with a little bit of a die off rate in this area with cumulative delta. And ES actually was showing a little bit of a dive at that point. So I said, you know what? Let's take a short. Let's see what happens. Um, I got stopped out. Wasn't too terrible, to be honest with you. It was just kind of a real quick stop out. So we ended up losing. I want to say we're like $360 on that particular trade. Um, but I had a feeling it was going to come down. Everything about it, like this, actually started to really turn nicely for us. We started to see some push on the 5,000 tick chart is where I really saw it. Don't mind these; these were yesterday's. This is today's. But where I really ended up taking a peek at it was when it came up. It really started to press down a little bit, and I started to see our glimpses of cumulative delta on the bigger side started to hit down. Now, granted, I knew it wasn't going to go down all the way, fully well aware of that, so I decided to kind of play it out a little bit. We ended up taking an additional trade, so we started at 12,101, popped another contract when it got below my 100 EMA, and we sold everything off at 12,074. So we ended up taking profit here, which covered our loss from this morning and kind of geared on into it, into this nice little trade here. So we came out profitable, about $480, almost $500. That's always a huge plus. I'm slowly starting to kind of, I don't know, gear towards using both ES and NQ. If you guys, let's hear yours. Are you partial to one or the other? Do you like using both? Do you play them off each other? Do you take a look at what ES does and say, hey, is NQ kind of doing the same thing, but a little delayed? So that's kind of what I've been hearing. So I would love to hear your thoughts. The cool part is, because obviously we're into the evening session, we're already seeing this big gap down. Big gap down here. I'm gonna go ahead and probably say that it's gonna reverse up at some point and cover that whole gap this for Wednesday. So I don't know if it's gonna do it on the overnight. Don't know if it's gonna particularly do it, first thing in the morning. But I'm gonna go ahead and say that gap's gonna get covered at least halfway. At least halfway. I'm gonna call it right now. So like 2078. I'm thinking a good halfway is where I think that's gonna cover. So hope you guys had a great day. Hope you guys stayed patient. As you can see on the 5,000 tick chart, there was a lot of chop today. Whole lot. Now you can still play off the chop and still go ahead and get some good quality trades. You just got to time it right. My first one timed, wasn't right. Second one, just right. So keep with it, keep sticking with it, and we will see you guys on the next one. Peace.